yoga friends. I'm so glad you're here today. Your mat is ready, and so is the fun. Before we begin our adventure, remember to tap the like button and hit subscribe so you can join all our future yoga journeys. We have playful poses, big smiles, and lots of magic waiting for you. Ready to start? Let's go! Sit down, cross your legs, and let your shoulders relax. Take a gentle breath in and out. Great job! Easy pose helps your body settle and your mind feel calm. Balance on your bottom, lift your legs, and make your body look like a little boat. Great work! Boat pose helps your mind focus and feel strong and steady. Lie on your tummy, bend your knees, hold your ankles, and gently lift your chest and legs like a bow. Done! Bow pose helps open your chest, stretch your body, and makes your mind feel happy and energized. Lie on your back, bend your knees, press your feet down, and lift your hips to make a bridge. Excellent! Bridge pose makes your back strong and helps you feel calm. Kneel on the mat. Place your hands on your hips and gently lean back like a camel. Done. Camel pose opens the chest and makes us brave. Lie on your belly, place your hands under your shoulders, and lift your chest gently. Fantastic! Cobra Pose strengthens your back and opens your heart. Place your hands and feet on the mat, lift your hips high, and make an upside-down V-shape. Wonderful! Downward dog stretches your whole body, wakes you up, and helps your mind feel clear. Sit with the soles feet together. Let your knees fall to the sides like butterfly wings. Bound angle pose opens the hips and feels nice. Kneel on one knee, stretch the other leg out, reach one arm up, and lean to the side like a gate. Pose stretches your sides, helps your breathing, and makes your body feel open and light. Lie on your back and lift your legs straight up, pretending they're resting on an invisible wall. Lovely. Legs up the wall helps your body relax, rest your legs, and makes your mind feel calm. Bring one leg forward and stretch the other back. Sit tall and breathe deeply into your hips. Great job! Pigeon Pose helps your hips relax and your body feel free. Place your hands and feet on the mat, lift your hips high like an upside down V, then slowly raise one leg up and balance. Great! Three-legged dog helps you feel strong and focused. Start on your hands and knees. Lift one leg back and up, raise your head, and balance like a stretching tiger. Tiger Pose strengthens your back, improves balance, and helps your body feel awake and strong. Stand tall, place one foot on your other leg, bring your hands together, and balance like a strong tree. Great work! Tree Pose improves balance, builds focus, and helps you feel calm and steady. Step your feet apart. Reach one arm down and the other up. Stretch to the side like a triangle. Triangle Pose makes our body open and strong. On hands and knees, round your back like a cat. Now lift your chest like a cow. Let's move gently. Awesome! Cat-cow warms up the spine and makes us feel flexible. Amazing work today, yoga friends. You moved your body, focused your mind, and filled the room with joy. I'm so proud of you. Before you leave, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can join the fun too. Take one calming breath in and gently breathe out. Give yourself a little smile. You earned it. See you next time. Bye-bye.